Hey, I'm Eric. I'm on a Bagi Bike B20 street tire on Ocean Drive today. And as you can see, the boogaloo has happened on spring break and there is nobody here. Everything is closed down right now. It is the middle of spring break in tourist season and this place is completely dead. I've never seen it like this. But I have to say, it's pretty awesome. And I'm on a fast e-bike today, cruising around Miami, enjoying ourselves. So come along for the ride and let's see Miami after the apocalypse. Oh look, there's the Clevelander. I love it right now. It is the best time ever to ride a bike. I mean, the traffic, there's no traffic on the road. This bike has been awesome. So if you're interested in one, you can check it out at BagiBike.com. Link in the description. My name is Eric. Until the next adventure, I'll see you guys later.